Hey everyone, I appreciate you tuning in today. If you're feeling stuck in your weight loss journey, even after trying different diets, exercise routines, or both, you're definitely not alone. I've been in that situation myself, and I understand how frustrating it can be when nothing seems to give results. That's why I'm thrilled to bring you this review of Mitolyn, a supplement that might truly make a difference. I'll be covering all the key details: what Mitolyn is, how it functions, what ingredients it contains, whether it has any side effects, and where to purchase it. Plus, I'll share some crucial tips and precautions to help you determine if it's the right option for you. So, make sure to watch this video all the way through. Mitolyn is a natural dietary supplement specifically designed to aid in weight loss and enhance mitochondrial health. What sets it apart is its formulation, completely made from natural components, free from harmful chemicals or toxins, and with no reported side effects. The real magic lies in its key ingredients. Maki berry, packed with antioxidants to combat inflammation and shield your cells. Rhodiola rosea, known for improving mental focus and lowering stress levels. Synergistically, which enhances mitochondrial performance and speeds up metabolism. Together, these elements help rev up your metabolism, curb cravings, and provide steady energy throughout the day. Additionally, Mitolyn promotes healthier digestion, an often overlooked but essential factor for long-term weight management. Another reason to have confidence in Mitolyn is its manufacturing quality. It's produced in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, ensuring top-tier standards you can count on. A quick heads-up: Mitolyn is exclusively available through its official website. Purchasing directly from the source guarantees you'll receive the authentic product, rather than a counterfeit version that could be ineffective or even unsafe. To make it easy, I've placed the official website link in the description below. It's super simple. Just take one capsule per day after meals. For optimal results, a 3-month regimen is recommended, though many people experience even better outcomes by continuing for around 6 months. Some users notice positive changes within a few weeks, while for others, it might take a little longer. The key is to stay consistent and follow the recommended routine. And here's some fantastic news. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see results, you can request a full refund, no complications, no risks involved. That's all for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. I hope this review gave you valuable insights into Mitolyn. If you think someone else might benefit from this, feel free to share it. Wishing you success on your weight loss journey, and I'll catch you guys later.